Hi, thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't joined me before, I'm Miss Weisenstein. Thanks for coming. Today we're exploring a national park that's farther away than the parks we've been. We're gonna jump on a plane and check out Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. All right, let me just get prepared here. So Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is on the big island of Hawaii. There are two national parks in Hawaii, Haleakala National Park at Maui and Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on the big island, also called the island of Hawaii. So I personally have not had an opportunity to go to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, but I have been to Haleakala and the island of Maui. Here's some beautiful pictures. Ooh. Awesome black sand beaches. And one thing I really liked while I was hiking in Haleakala was looking at the really cool plants that would grow through the lava rocks. So when I was at Haleakala National Park, there is a parking lot called Hitchhiker's Parking Lot, and in Hawaii, hitchhiking is legal, and on the national park's website, it tells you actually if you're gonna hike this specific trail to park in the Hitchhiker's Parking Lot, hitchhike to the top of where the visitor center is, and then you hike about 13 miles back down to where your car is, and you actually hike through the crater of Haleakala, or of the volcano in Haleakala. And when you're hiking through the park, like you're hiking on a volcano and down in the crater. So there's no shade, there's no trees that grow there. So you want to make sure to definitely pack your super cool hat to keep the sun off of your head, and a lot of sunscreen and a lot of water, because there's not a lot of places to like really take respite from the sun. A cool story from when I was hiking in Haleakala is we came across these geese, and turns out that that's actually the Hawaii state bird. It's a goose called the nene, and I don't know if it's all of this species or just the specific geese that we came across, but they were mean as heck. I don't know if we were near their nest or if they had chicks around, but they were not pleased with us being in that area. Okay, so I'm really excited for you guys to be able to go to visit Haleakala National Park. And one of the most exciting parts of this is that on the internet, you can go on a virtual tour and actually go through a lava tube, see a volcanic eruption, and check out the volcanic cliffs in Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. So some ideas of things that you can investigate related to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park include taking that virtual tour, checking out different types of igneous rocks and trying to identify what igneous rocks are forming on that island, hot spots and the formation of the Hawaii Islands, assessing the risk of an eruption. How do we know when the volcano is going to erupt? Kilauea was erupting from the 1980s until just recently in 2018, 2019, it stopped erupting. So how do we know if that's going to erupt again? And also, how do volcanoes affect people? So thanks for tuning in, and I hope that you check out Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Bye.